The Philadelphia Experiment. Ship vanishes into thin air. The Philadelphia Experiment is one of the most enduring legends of World War II, a story that blurs the line between science, secrecy, and conspiracy. According to the tale, in October 1943, the U.S. Navy allegedly conducted a top-secret experiment at the Philadelphia Naval Shipyard. The goal is to make the destroyer escort USS Eldridge D-173 invisible to enemy radar, and possibly even teleport it across space and time. What followed, if the stories are true, was an extraordinary and terrifying event that continues to spark debate decades later. The legend claims that powerful electromagnetic fields were used in an attempt to cloak the USS Eldridge. Witnesses supposedly reported seeing the ship surrounded by a greenish-blue glow before it vanished from sight entirely. Moments later, the Eldridge allegedly reappeared hundreds of miles away in Norfolk, Virginia, before returning to Philadelphia. Some accounts insist that crew members were horrifically affected, fused into the ship's bulkheads, driven insane, or suffering mysterious illnesses. These grisly details have fueled speculation that the experiment was not merely about radar invisibility, but involved teleportation and time travel. The U.S. Navy has consistently denied that such an experiment ever occurred. Official statements describe the Philadelphia experiment as a hoax, claiming that records of the USS Eldridge's movements show it was never in Philadelphia at the time. Skeptics attribute the story to misinterpretations of routine naval technology, such as degaussing, a process that reduced ships' magnetic signatures to protect them from mines. However, this explanation has done little to quell the fascination surrounding the mystery. The story's origins trace back to Carl M. Allen, also known as Carlos Allende, who sent letters in the 1950s to UFO researcher Morris Jessup, describing the supposed experiment in vivid detail. Jessup's death under mysterious circumstances in 1959 only deepened the intrigue, leading many to believe that he uncovered too much about the truth. Supporters of the Philadelphia experiment theory argue that it may have been an early test of Einstein's unified field theory or secret wartime projects related to advanced physics. Others link it to later experiments such as Project Montauk, suggesting a continuity of covert research into time travel and mind control. Was the Philadelphia experiment a groundbreaking military test gone horribly wrong, a misunderstood account of classified technology, or simply an elaborate myth? While no concrete evidence has ever surfaced, the legend of the USS Eldridge continues to haunt the imagination, inviting speculation that perhaps, just perhaps, a ship really did vanish into thin air.